Right now, as you're watching this video, millions of tiny parasites could be living inside your body, stealing your nutrients, draining your energy, and slowly destroying your health. The scariest part? 30% of people worldwide are infected, and most have no idea. But what if I told you there's a powerful natural remedy that can eliminate these silent invaders in just 7 days? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal an ancient plant that scientists have proven can kill 100% of parasites using ingredients you might already have at home. No expensive drugs, no harsh chemicals, just pure, natural healing power. I know it sounds too good to be true, but stick with me, because this simple recipe could transform your health and energy levels forever. And fair warning, what I'm about to share about the parasites living inside you might shock you. But first, if you want more life-changing health secrets like this, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon. Now, let me show you what's really happening inside your body. Worms and parasites can sneak into your body in ways you might not expect, through contaminated food or water, close contact with animals, even by walking barefoot on infected soil. Once inside, they're not just freeloaders stealing nutrients from your meals. They also release harmful toxins that can wreak havoc on your health. If you've been feeling unusually tired, dealing with stomach pain, unexplained weight loss, or bouts of nausea, it could be a sign of parasites. Other telltale symptoms include anal itching, diarrhea, changes in appetite, or even spotting small white specks in your stool. The frustrating part? Many tests might come back negative because standard stool tests can miss certain types of parasites. But don't worry, if this sounds familiar, I've got you covered. In a moment, I'll share a simple natural remedy that can help you kick those parasites out for good. It's effective, easy to make, and could be just what you need to reclaim your health. Now, you might wonder, why should I even care about parasites if I'm not feeling seriously sick? Here's the thing, even without obvious symptoms, parasites can quietly sabotage your well-being. They can cause anemia, drain your vitamins, and trigger severe inflammation in vital organs. Research even links them to chronic health conditions, making prevention more critical than ever. The tricky part is that parasites are tough. Some can live in your body for months, or even years if left untreated. But here's the good news. With the natural recipe I'm about to share, you can get rid of more than 100 types of parasites in just 7 days. Yes, you read that right, 7 days. For centuries, nature has offered powerful remedies for tackling worms and parasites. While pharmaceutical options might work, they often come with unpleasant side effects and sometimes don't fully address the problem. These treatments might kill the worms, but they often leave behind toxins that keep harming your body. That's why a natural approach shines. It not only eliminates the parasites, but also detoxifies your system, leaving you feeling refreshed and healthier than ever. One of the most effective natural remedies for parasites is Artemisia. This incredible medicinal plant is packed with antiparasitic, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties, making it a powerhouse for detoxifying your body. In fact, studies show that Artemisia can eliminate 100% of adult parasites in cases of schistosomiasis, a severe parasitic disease. Impressive, right? But Artemisia doesn't just stop at fighting parasites. It also helps regulate menstrual cycles, boosts your immune system, and reduces inflammation throughout your body. So while it's evicting those unwanted guests, it's also delivering a host of other health benefits. Making this remedy is super simple. You'll need 2 tablespoons of dried Artemisia leaves and 1 liter of water. Start by bringing the water to a boil, then turn off the heat and add the leaves. Cover the pot and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and voila, you've got your remedy ready to sip. For the best results, drink 2 to 3 cups of this tea daily for 7 days straight. Afterward, take a 21-day break and repeat the process for another 7 days. This 2-step cycle ensures that any parasites that survive the first round are completely wiped out in the second. However, as powerful as Artemisia is, it's important to use it with care. Pregnant women should avoid it altogether since it may stimulate uterine contractions, which could lead to complications. Breastfeeding moms should also check with their doctor before using this remedy. Some people might experience mild side effects like nausea or stomach cramps, and those with a history of seizures or epilepsy should consult a healthcare professional before consuming Artemisia, as it may increase seizure risks. Always start with a small dose to see how your body reacts, and if you notice any adverse effects, stop immediately and consult a doctor. Want to boost the benefits of Artemisia tea? Add garlic to your routine. Garlic is another natural anti-parasitic superstar. Eating one raw clove on an empty stomach in the morning can do wonders. Or if raw garlic isn't your thing, garlic capsules are a great alternative. Together, Artemisia and garlic create a powerful team to help cleanse your body and restore your health. Now, let's talk about an age-old herbal remedy that's been a gut health hero for centuries. Slippery elm. This wonder comes from the powdered bark of the slippery elm tree. And yes, it's as gooey as it sounds. But that gooiness is the magic. It forms a soothing, protective layer inside your gut, giving it the comfort and care it craves. Slippery elm works wonders for anyone dealing with gut irritation, especially from pesky parasites. Its unique texture coats the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and helping to repair damaged tissue. Since parasites thrive in an unhealthy gut, this natural remedy creates an environment that's far less inviting for them. Here's how you can use it. Grab some slippery elm powder, mix a teaspoon into about half a cup of warm water, and drink it immediately. Don't wait too long, or it'll thicken up into a pudding-like consistency, which, funnily enough, some people prefer to eat with a spoon. Either way, it's effective. For severe cases, try taking it before each meal and just before bed. This routine helps shield your gut and flush out unwelcome visitors. Research published in Phytotherapy Research backs this up, highlighting slippery elm's gut-soothing and inflammation-reducing powers. Want to mix things up? Aloe vera is another great option. You can peel the plant, mash it, and swallow the gel, or alternate between aloe vera and slippery elm weekly. Both work to calm and restore your gut naturally. So choose your goo and let it do its thing. It's your gut's best friend. Coconut oil is another fantastic weapon against parasites. It's rich in lauric acid, which your body converts into monolaurin, a compound with powerful parasite-fighting properties. Just take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil daily, and you'll be adding another layer of defense to your routine. And don't forget about pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are famous for helping expel worms naturally. A handful of raw pumpkin seeds each day can make a big difference in clearing out those unwelcome guests. While you're working on these natural remedies, remember that good hygiene is key. Always wash your fruits and veggies thoroughly, and steer clear of undercooked meats. Both can be sneaky sources of parasites. One common mistake people make during parasite cleanses is stopping after just one treatment. Parasites are tricky. Their life cycles can include stages that your first round of treatment might miss. That's why it's crucial to repeat the process after 21 days. This ensures that you eliminate not only the adult parasites, but also any eggs or larvae hiding out in other parts of your body, like the lungs or liver. Artemisia does more than just kick out parasites. It's a true multitasker for your health. It can soothe digestive issues like cramps and gas, improve blood circulation to reduce bloating, and even leave you feeling more energized. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce swelling caused by parasitic infections, making it a total game changer for your well-being. So, now that you know how to prepare and use this amazing remedy, what's stopping you? Are you going to let parasites continue to drain your energy and steal your health? Or are you ready to take action? Your health is in your hands, and with this simple recipe, you can eliminate over 100 types of parasites in just 7 days. Start drinking your Artemisia tea today. Pair it with coconut oil and pumpkin seeds, and you'll not only cleanse your body, but also boost your overall health. Take the first step toward feeling lighter, healthier, and more energized. The difference will amaze you. Thanks for watching. I hope you now have the knowledge and power to take control of your health and eliminate those pesky parasites for good. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be struggling with similar issues. And if you want more life-changing health secrets, tips, and natural remedies, be sure to subscribe to Fab Dandy Health and hit the notification bell. We post new videos every week, and I'd love to have you join our community of health enthusiasts. In fact, if you're interested in learning more about natural health and wellness, check out our next video. These 7 foods should be on every senior's plate. It's packed with actionable tips and advice to help you live a healthier, happier life. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.